sunroof operation. Nice. We're gonna do a quick walk around of this 1982 Mercedes-Benz 280E, gasoline powered, inline 6-cylinder. Not a diesel, you might expect it to be, but it is a fuel injected gasoline powered car. Got about 128,000 miles. Owned by the same family since new. I'll take you inside in just a sec. Silver blue metallic with blue leather, which is fairly rare on one of these cars. Got the wheel upside down. And I opened up the sunroof to give us some more light inside. So the blue leather is showing a little age, a little bit of cracking on that far bolster. But the vast majority of all 123 cars got MB-Tech's interior. And certainly most of the sedans. So it's pretty unusual to have leather. This is a one family owned car from new. Just losing some color on that bolster, but otherwise it's in really nice shape. Power windows. Mileage is 128,000. The clock is accurate and it works. It's the original radio, which also works. I haven't tried a tape in it. Got one dash crack, actually two dash cracks. One dash crack here, and another little one starting over there. But generally very, very nice condition. Sunroof works great. I just lubricated it the other day. Oh, and I just ran, here we go. Let's go around to the other side. We'll have a look in this side. Rubber seals and weather stripping is really good in this car. Again, you can see some of the blue color coming off, but really very nice leather. It's original, it hasn't been dyed or anything, so you could re-dye it. Very clean in the door jambs. So I want to open up the hood for you. I have to walk around and pop that from the driver's side. The original stickers are intact. There's your data tag showing 930G, which I think is silver blue poly. Just replaced all the fuses. So everything's working. I metered this car with a paint meter, showing all original paint all the way around, very low paint meter readings. It's a pretty honest engine bay. Still got a hood pad in place, which is nice. Let's look inside the trunk. I should mention that the door locks, the whole door lock system works. Here's the trunk. When I laid out the books and manuals and paperwork, you've got a full toolkit and jack right there. So there's your original pouch, hang tags from the dealership. Owner's manual. You've got the little metal plate here that came with the car. The name on this plate is the same as the name on the title that is currently with this car, proving that it's a one family owned car. And here we've got all the service done to the car from when it had 1,000 miles back in 1981. July of 81. It had 82,000 miles in, when was that? I don't see a date on that one. 92. All the way up to 95, it had 112,000 miles. And today it has 128. And then here are lots of service records going back about 20 years. This is the most recent New York inspection. The car was in Pennsylvania for years with the family. And that receipt right there is from 2017. And the AC compressor and receiver dryer were replaced for the air conditioning system. All the lights and turn signals are functioning just fine. Windows all go up and down. Just a nice, solid, gasoline-powered 280E. Here's a look at the bottom. This is the passenger side. And then let's look at the driver's side. Pretty clean and solid. There's your jack point. That's a spot where they often rust. Very clean. The only rust I've found is on this front valance right here. And it is only on this side. It's not on the other side. Just right there, so it must have gotten a nick in the paint or something and just never recovered. I'll walk around the other side. Now on this side it's perfectly fine. This is just wax that wasn't rubbed off.